Stop. Don't buy Hostinger yet. You're about to overpay by 20%. I'm going to show you the only working Hostinger coupon code 2026 that gives you an extra 20% discount on top of their sale price. And yes, this works in India, the USA, the UK, everywhere. Stay till the end because I'll show you the exact discount plus mistakes to avoid. Before I show you how, here's proof. This is my cart right now. See this line that says referral discount 20%? That's an extra discount. And this isn't some fake expired code. I just tested this 5 minutes ago. So how to apply the Hostinger coupon code? Let's watch demo. Step 1. Use the referral link in this video description or pinned comment. Don't go directly to hostinger.com. You'll miss the 20%. Click the link that says claim 20% discount here. This automatically attaches my referral code. Step 2, once you're on the page, select your country. This is crucial because if you're in India, prices show in rupees and you get local payment options like UPI, but this coupon works globally. Step 3, now choose your hosting type. You've got 4 options here. For beginners, choose web hosting. For high traffic sites, pick cloud hosting. Running client websites, agency hosting. Need server control? Go VPS. Here's where most people mess up. Don't pick the cheapest single plan. You only get one website. I recommend the premium or business plan. Why? More websites, high GB storage, and free daily backups. With my 20% discount, it costs less than a cup of coffee per month. Not sure which plan to choose? Click this AI assistant button. It's actually helpful. Tell it what you're building, and it recommends the perfect plan. Step 4. Now billing period. Look at this. 1 month costs $519, but 48 months cost just $103 per month. That's 80% cheaper just for committing longer. Plus, my 20% discount applies to the total, so you're saving double. Now see here, my referral discount of 20% applied. Hit continue. Use Gmail for faster verification. Create a strong password. This is your hosting account. Make it secure. You'll land on the payment page. In India, you can pay via UPI, card, or PayPal. Complete the payment, and within 2 minutes, you'll get 3 emails: order confirmation, account details, and cPanel access. Also, pro tip, you have 30 days to get a full refund if you're not happy, so there's 0 risk. That's it with hosting tips. Subscribe for more hosting hacks, and if the discount didn't work, comment help and I'll personally DM you a fresh link. See you in the next one.